Supplier purchase orders by Supplier report. From this report, you can view supplier-wise purchase orders. You can access this report from Suppliers, Reports, Supplier purchase orders by Supplier. From report filters, you can select a supplier. You can select range of suppliers. If you don't select any supplier, system will display all suppliers purchase orders. You can select active suppliers, inactive suppliers, or both suppliers. From supplier category, you can select a particular supplier category, range of supplier categories. If you don't select any supplier category, system will display all supplier categories purchase orders. From report options, you can select date range. You can select monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, life to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, last year. If you select custom date, you can select a particular date range. If you select all, system will display all date range supplier purchase orders. From style, you can select summary or detailed report. From status, you can select confirmed, cancelled, pending, overdue, invoiced or all purchase orders. If you check Use Foreign Currency checkbox, system will display transactions in supplier's currency. Hit View Report button. From this report, you can view supplier-wise purchase orders. Purchase orders are categorized from the supplier. In previous report, supplier purchase orders report, its list of purchase orders. In this report, system will group by purchase orders by supplier name. This report you can view purchase order date, delivery date, reference, status of that purchase order, quantity, total purchases. You can generate detailed report. From style, you can select detail and view report. If you select detail, system will display each line-wise transaction. Now in summary report, one line for one purchase order. In detail report, you can view line item-wise purchase order. If you check Use Foreign Currency checkbox, system will display transactions in supplier's currency. If you uncheck use foreign currency checkbox. System will display all transactions in home currency. Furthermore, if you uncheck use foreign currency checkbox, system will display grand total. You can export this report to PDF, CSV, Excel or these formats. You can print or email this report.